Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today is amazing. It's beautiful out here. We got a nice view of the ocean. We are at Pebble Beach with the whole DDE crew, PFS crew. As you can see here, we got Damon and Dave, two Lambos. There's me over there next to Curly and Hugh. I actually saw this guy in that Camaro on the freeway. We actually drove all the way down here together. We got Alex Troy over there. So basically everybody's out here today. The sun's really beaming down, so I pulled out the bucket hat and the sunglasses, looking fresh as always. I don't know what we're about to do, but it's gonna be fun because people keep showing up and there's really no parking for them, but we're all fitting in. Right now we have 1, 2, 3 rows on a 1-lane parking lot kind of thing. I'm a little bit tempted to go down into this little pit right here and Coyote Peterson some animals, you know. I got this bucket hat on. I feel like I'm an adventurer. Besides, we're literally right next to a golf course and houses, which are fat, by the way. Did you see how far I was out there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Dude, you what, 40 miles away?
Yeah, 50.
50 miles?
50 miles away.
That's like San Jose.
Pretty much. I'm like 25 minutes away from there. Alright, so our time over here is complete. We're going to head out. We're gonna hit the road. What we've been doing around here is mainly like 25 miles an hour. We're really not trying to break any laws in the 17-mile drive. I mean, we're not breaking laws in general, but we're gonna be going onto the freeway so that we can maybe, you know, get up to speed and have a little bit of fun, you know. We got a whole bunch of cars here, more than we planned on. More is always better than less, I guess, with supercars, right? I thought that was a cop. It's just a radar. Got a golf course on the left, views on the right. Dude, Monterey is an experience to have. Even if you're not driving a nice car, come out here, come take pictures, enjoy the view. No matter what you do here, you're gonna have a good time. Yo, I'm sure this golf course is insane. Look at this. That don't even look like a golf course. That looks like a jungle over there. Hopefully no one gets picked by a golf ball. Woo! We're cutting some stuff close. This road is pretty sketchy though. It's really slim. You can see this Camry just has enough room to keep his car in. And at least all of the cars that are with us right now are wider than this Camry. Especially when that Rolls Royce passed me on the left and there was a tree on my right. Shooting that gap was a little scary. This is a fun little cruise. Make sure you do the 17-mile drive if you ever come to Monterey. It's well worth it, $10.50. You're gonna see some fat houses like this one. Look at this. Wouldn't it be nice to live in a $40 billion house? Well, now your dream can come true. That was insane. We're in like a little valley with all these hills on each side of us, and we all just lit this place up. Full floored, at least to 3rd gear. That was loud. It was really loud. Looked like we picked up a lot of people along the way. It looks like a lot of people are having fun. Alright, so we're back in Carmel. And there's tons of cars, tons of traffic, just like always. One way in, one way out. So we're all just pretty much sitting in it. Love it. What'd you do, Hugh? What'd you do, man?
I tinted my windows.
That's it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you can over tinted windows.
Damn. So they got my boy Hugh locked up for a window tint. Always roll around, windows down. I mean, I guess he's from California, you know. You can't really have window tint. In Washington, it is legal, so we are A-okay. I guess this right here, that's not legal, guys. I thought for a second it was a stop sign. I thought you like ran the stop sign or something.
No, I didn't run the stop sign. I stopped for like 5 minutes.
Maybe you'll be here for longer than 30 minutes before you get your ticket, and he'll get you that one too.
Get the fuck out of here.
So you sign on the phone here, I'll hold it for you. Just do the best you can with it. You're not making any guilt. You're just promising the state of California that you'll take care of the violation.
All right, well, there's that. You got a ticket for a window tint. This man is just harassing everybody out here. Say bye-bye to the license plate frame.
Unfortunately, I can't let you drive it. It's towable at this point.
Are you joking? Really? Are you serious?
So it turns out he's just getting a fix-it ticket for the no plates. He's gonna put them on there. He's also got expired tabs, so he needs to get that done. W Motors fender. This thing's insane. He's got dry carbon pieces everywhere. Look at this. Vents, roof, engine bay. Dude, these angles are so aggressive. So I'm gonna throw you guys a little montage of this car real quick. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be pretty cool. I believe they nicknamed that fender the Wolverine. It's got Wolverine roof decal, it's got Wolverine badges, and I'm not really too familiar with those cars, but I assume they're going to be just like the Quintessegs where they have Thor, Phoenix, stuff like that. So that's pretty crazy that we're seeing it out here today. Hopefully we see more cars just like that one. We'll be here for a little bit more until we head out because it's really starting to crack down on people, and I'm not trying to be one of those guys. This by far is my favorite spec. It's got the white orange accents inside of the grille. Oh, let me get that. Inside of the inlets are orange. Nice little blue accent. This is insane. The seats have orange lining as well. Is that a Kiwi? I think that's a Kiwi on the side of the car.
Hey, what's up?
Favorite car here?
Favorite car here? That center right there, with the squares coming off of it.
Yeah.
I wish it was like that one. There's one in London that's white with blue that has kind of like the Bugatti Veyron. There's a couple LeBlanc Bugattis like that where it's just kind of like half and half, and it does all the stripes. I think that's super cool, and this kind of reminded me of it, so that's why I like this one so much.
You know, I wish that they put little like different color inlets.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, because
Like,
like on that one, they're
that one,
orange. That's my favorite, just because.
That's your favorite?
Or like this one right here.
No, honestly though, yeah, I like that a lot too.
I feel like it makes the arrow way more aggressive.
That's true.
Because right here, just like it looks black.
Yeah, I'll give you that. You know what I wish more Sennas had is like different color interiors. They're all just
Oh,
black.
yeah.
I just wish there was like, you know, a white or like a red or something like that.
Do you think the iridescent one has like iridescent inside pieces?
There's no way. Let's find out.
Dude, I really hope so.
No.
No? Just normal carbon?
Just normal.
Just normal dry carbon, yeah.
Whatever.